Shall we begin? May I have your response? Shall we begin? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So let others join one by one. Dear friends, I'm really very happy again to compliment you all for the wonderful efforts you are making. I know all of you are busy with your academic works, either as a teacher or a student, but still you are able to make it, and your designs really amaze me a lot. Immediately you pick up things and you are able to make it within very short span of time. You are able to make all that I demonstrate. Really great of you all, and I really appreciate all of you for the strenuous effort that you are making, and let us continue to work. I know that some of the tools may be difficult for you, maybe the application may not be very clear for you, but slowly when you acquaint yourself, when you practice yourself, automatically you will be great with the designing. With that short compliment, I shall move on for the demonstration. As Anu Goyal madam said, I would give you one more demo on the healing brush and other related tools.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yesterday I've gone through your comments also, feedback also. So people asked me for more example of healing brush and other tools. And with regard to the pace that I'm going, see, some say I go very slow, some say I go very fast. So I have to strike a balance. If you don't get me properly, please stop me at any time. I shall clarify you, or else at the end, at any time, you can ask me. In the WhatsApp, see, the other timings we are all engaged with regular classes, so we are not able to answer you immediately. But before this, before the night, I shall answer you before the dawn. Okay, fine. Now, my dear friends, I shall give you my screen. 1 minute.
Sir, I have chosen one face and stained shirt.
Yeah.
So
Where is
kindly.
it, madam? Where is it, madam? Okay, madam, I shall show you. Showing it to you. I'll just give you some other example. It can be used anywhere that you want, any way that you want. It's up to your creativity. I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Is it visible to you all? Can I have your response?
No, sir.
Is
No.
it visible?
Yes, now, yes.
Yeah, I suppose you are able, everyone is able to see me. Yeah. Now, look at there. I'm going to use these two tools. So I'm picking up a picture from internet, Google. What do you want, madam? Stained shirt. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Shirt. Look at. Okay. I'm just choosing any shirt. Okay, which one shall we? Shall we choose this one? Shall we choose this one? Or this one? Okay. Maybe. Yeah. I'm choosing this one. Right click, copy, taking to Photoshop, paste it. See, I've got it. Right. Now I'm going to remove that. Look at here. There are three tools here. One is spot healing brush, and patch tool. I shall give you an example of spot healing brush. You know what is the difference between spot healing brush and healing brush? Healing brush will take the source as it is. Spot healing brush will have the impact of the source or the destination. For example, see, I have this this small logo. I just select that source first. I will have to select that source. How do I select it? By pressing Alt key. I have pressed Alt key. The source is selected. Now when I press here, see, automatically I get another. See here. I can get anywhere I can get that. Am I clear? Look at here. I'm able to get these things anywhere in the shirt. Right. This is one example. See, like this we can take a model, take a spot, and create too many of the same. Now I'm going to heal. Now look at here. Taking spot healing brush, clicking on the white portion and taking here. See here. Again clicking on the white portion. Slowly you will have to See? Am I clear? See, slowly I'm making it. Yes or no? Previously, see here, stains were there, but now I have almost removed it. Am I clear?
We have to select the clean
Source.
part. Na?
So yeah. First, as a source, madam, as a source, and put it in the destination. Okay, madam. For example, see, I will also show you one more example. Maybe Parliament building. Parliament building. Okay, I will explain you all these. Okay, Parliament building. Look at here, madam.
But sir, one line is coming, but it is not clear.
Wait, I'll come. I'm taking this picture. Are you getting my screen? Are you getting my screen, madam? Madam, are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. It's the Parliament building that you get? Yeah. Now look at here, madam. See here, I just want to have the same window here. See here, you have a window, no? Here. I want to have the same window here, right? Or I don't want this flagpole here. So
Okay.
I just choose this space, see here, but blue color. With the Alt key. With the Alt key, I select this
Without
source
key, na? Without
and
key.
look at here.
Okay.
Okay, see? There is no
We
trace
have
of
to press
flag.
the Alt key, na sir?
Yes. There is no trace of flagpole there. And now I want to have this this building, this shape. See, I'm just clicking here. See, there is no trace of flagpole there. Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you? Look at here. It was like this. It was previously like this. See now, look at here. Am I clear to you, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
again and again, continue. This box is coming.
Which box, madam?
Continue and cancel.
That's for healing brush, madam. For spot healing brush.
Yeah.
Spot healing brush. See, for example, I shall give you an example. Spot healing brush I have chosen. I choose a spot. For example, I want this window or door. I choose it. See here, this press OK. Okay, for spot healing brush. So when I do it here, the impact will be there. The impact of this place will be there. But when I use healing brush, I'll get it exactly. Right now, I choose this place. I choose this place. See here. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I can bring one more. See, I bring one more. See.
So,
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now look at here. I'm taking one more example. See, I let this flag to be back. Right. I want this flagpole. I want this flagpole. So I just select Alt key. I just press the source. When I want it again, see here, I just do it again. See, I've got another pole. Am I clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Clear to you? I just go with the reduced. See, I can also reduce the diameter of the brush. See here. Here, maybe small one. I want the small one. I select this pose. See, by clicking Alt and draw. Just drag it back, draw, and you'll get a pole. See, I'm doing it again. See, I get a pole here. Am I clear? I have to make it seriously. Exactly. See, I get a. Yeah, please. Yes.
sir, due to power cut, I can't upload my computer, sir, today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. No problem. Just
Okay, sir.
take care of. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
No problem. See here. Am I clear? I'm making it, but make sure you make it. It should be realistic, right? So please understand the difference between spot healing and spot. When you take a source, when you paste it in a particular place, it will have its impact with the source or destination. But
Okay.
healing brush will not be. If you will have as it is, healing brush you will have as it is, right? For example, see, look at here. I want to have one more. I want to give you one more example. See, I want to have this window here. I'm just using healing brush. I choose the source by pressing Alt key. Now look at here. Am I clear? I got that. I want it here also. See?
Yes.
Am I clear? You
Yes,
get that window.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. I want this door. So I just select this door and I can see, I can draw this door here. You will get exactly as you have the door nearby. See, you get it. Am I clear?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
will
You're
try.
Healing
clear,
brush.
sir.
Yeah. So please make use of it. And right now, I'm going to give you a demonstration on patch tool. See, patch tool is, I have selected patch tool. Now I want this grass area here. I want this grass area here. So I have to choose the destination. See, the destination is chosen. First, choose the destination. Then drag this to the grassy area, and you will have the grassy area here. Am I clear? See, look at here. Am I clear? Now I
Yes,
want
sir.
Yes,
this.
sir.
Now I want this small watchman post. No, see, look at here, the tent of watchman. Now I want the same here also. So I selected that place and move here and keep it. See here, that green color one appears here also. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I want the grassy plane here. So I just keep it here. See, I get it. Am I clear? So you will have to do it carefully and with aesthetic sense. People should not identify that it is done on, it is designed. It should be realistic. See here. It should be properly done, right? When you properly do it, see, actually the original picture is this. Look at here. The original picture is this. But now we have made it with a lot of changes. Look at here. Am I clear to you? See, lot of changes. Okay. That is healing patch tool. Have you got it? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
I suppose you are all okay with the patch tool. Patch tool and
Yes, sir.
healing brush. Please use it accordingly. Whenever it is needed, use it. Okay. Right. Right now, I'm going to give you an exposure of designing an identity card, a professional identity card or a student identity card. For example, look at here. Student ID card. You get lot of designs. Look at here. Lot of designs are there. So there are vertically oriented ID card and horizontally oriented ID card. I would like to start with the horizontal oriented ID card. So shall we do that? Now before that, we should go for a size of the ID card. See here, international, standard size of ID card. Put it, you will get it. There are so many sizes available, but we shall go with this size. See, this is the size 2.125 into 3.375 inches. I'm talking about in inches. There are three sizes. We are talking about CR80. CR80. This is one size and this is another one. Okay, this is another. Okay, we are going with 2.125 into 3.75. Please make note of it. It is in inches. 2.125 into 3.375. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now I
sir.
go here directly. Go to file, new, inches. What is the inch? What is the width? 3.375.
375.
Okay, fine. 1 point.
2.125.
2.125. Okay. The resolution is as usually 300. Okay, fine. I've got the ID card, background for the ID card. Now what do I do on the top? Look at here. On the top, I select one portion. See, one particular portion. Right, I've selected one particular portion. Right. Here, what do? I just want to have dark color, some dark color. I just click on the paint bucket and go for some dark color. Shall I go with the blue color?
Yes, sir.
I go with blue color, dark blue. So I've given most of the schools, they have this blue color only. Okay, I go with this. I want to have my logo here, my college logo. I want to have my college logo or some other college. Maybe any college that you want to suggest, any college or school. St. Mary's School. There is one sister is here. St. Mary's School. Any suggestion from your school or any suggestion?
So why don't we make a government identity card like that, sir?
Yeah, we can make any. Just for school ID card, let us make. Then we'll move on further.
Okay, sir.
Any school that Chavara Vidya Bhavan. Okay, where is it? School logo. Okay. Is this your logo? Is this your logo? Can
Yes,
someone
sir.
tell me? Yeah. Where is it,
This
madam?
one, yes, sir. Red one,
This one, huh?
that red color, sir. Can you hear me?
This one,
Ah,
huh?
yes, sir, yes, sir. That one. Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Same. That's the one which you have selected.
Okay. See, I've got it. Now I will have to deselect it. See, how do I choose that? With the help of magic wand tool. Right. Right now I'm taking it there on the top. See, I just reduce the size and keep it here. Now, can I give a text effect? Is a layer effect here? Can I give a layer effect?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What layer effect will be better? Tell me. Yesterday we have seen a lot of layer effects. What layer effect will be better?
Drop shadow.
No, drop shadow will not be seen at all.
Sir, outer glow, sir.
Yes, outer glow will be better. See here, outer glow. See, the outer glow will be better. See, I have given outer glow. See, the outer glow. Look at here. The outer glow will be better. Okay, I've given. What is the name of the school, madam? Madam,
Chavra
what is
Vidya Bhavan, sir. Chavra Vidya Bhavan, Coimbatore.
Oh, Coimbatore, right? It's here in Coimbatore only. Okay, I thought
Yes,
it
sir.
is in North India. Spell it, madam.
Chavara.
1 minute, madam. See, I have chosen and I give light color. Maybe basically white color will be better, right? Cava, Chavra,
Are Vidya Vidya.
Vidya Bhavan.
Y.
Correct, madam?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. CBSE school, huh?
No, sir. Matriculation.
Metric Higher Secondary School.
Yes, for the higher secondary school.
Okay. So I've chosen that and I just go for some other font. Maybe a simple font. Choice of font, we need to be very, very careful. Choice of font we need to be very careful. When it is officially used, don't go for a font which is very stylish. I have chosen this. I have put it on the top and I want to have maybe the address ID, maybe the address. Coimbatore. What is the pin code, madam? What is the pin code? 641
108.
Okay. I just select it and keep it in the center alignment. Look at here. It is in the center alignment. I have kept it right. Right now, what do? I want to make it as ID card, identity card, the year also. So what do? Again, I select a particular portion here from here. See, I have selected a particular portion here and give another color. Choose another color. Shall we choose a light color? Maybe.
Yes, sir.
I have
Light
chosen
yellow.
light color. Yeah, light blue will be better. See, I choose again background. Choose background again.
Okay,
Then
sir.
click that paint bucket and click here. See here, I've got that gap, right? Okay, am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you? Then type
Yes, sir.
here identity card. So I take the Coimbatore model. See, I just select it by Alt key, right? Pressing Alt key and type it. Type it here and adjust the text area. Adjust the text area and type it. Student identity card. Student identity card 2021 to 20 to 2021. Am I clear? And the name can be little more brighter. See, what do? What should I use? Layer style,
Inner
color
glow.
overlay. See, I can
Okay.
give any color. Maybe I can give the dark color. Okay, I have defined it. Now I want the student photo to be pasted in the left side. Student photo to be pasted in the left side. So I don't have any photo right now. So I just select it. Chavra Vidya Bhavan School Boys. Choose a boy's photo. See, I don't have Okay, generally any school boys passport photo. Can I choose this one, this boy? Yeah. I choose this boy, copy and bring it here. So this is too big, so I want to choose only this alone. I have chosen it. So what should I do? I have to select only this area and the remaining area has to be deselected. What is the shortcut? Can anyone tell me the shortcut? Can you give me the shortcut to deselect all the other area? Control Shift I. Control Shift I. When I press I, Control Shift I. In other words, go to select and press inverse. Okay, when you press inverse, automatically the other than the selected area is chosen. Delete it, then only that particular portion is selected. I reduce the size of the boy.
So can you repeat?
Photo. Here, see, it has been taught regularly. Once again, I shall do that. See, I select the area. See, I have selected this area. I want the other portion to be removed. What should you do? I want the other portion to be removed. What should I do? What should I do? Tell me. Go to select inverse. Please select inverse. The shortcut key is Shift Control I. Please write it down. I want you to please write it down. Please write it down. Shift Control I. Shift Control I. Shift Control I. Okay. So I have chosen. Now delete it. So the purpose is I have chosen an area. So inverse means other than this area. Other than this area, the other portion will be selected. Right? Right. Now Control T. Make it smaller and bring it. I'm keeping it here, keeping the photo here. And can I have around, outer layer, stroke around it? I can give a stroke. So how should I give it? Go to layer, layer style and stroke. Layer, layer style and stroke. See, red color stroke has come. So I want to give blue color stroke. I have given. The photo is kept here, right? Now I want to type name and other things, right? Name. See, left alignment. Keep it as left alignment. Name. Now what else you want? Name, other things. Class.
Blood group.
Date of birth.
Blood group, sir.
No, front page only official information. Back side, okay, all these elements. Name, class, and
subject,
section.
Section. Okay. Okay, that's all. These three information. Imagine this three.
roll number.
Right, roll number. Okay, roll number can be there. One more. Roll number. Okay. Right. I have to keep everything equally. See, I keep it equally. Now, you have to have a gap between these lines. You have to have a gap between these lines. What should you do? Go to character palette and increase the line gap. The line gap is increased. See, I am just reducing the line gap. Okay. Is it okay, or I shall increase little more? So I have done it. Okay, am I clear? See, I have done it. Right now, see from here, see from the left side, I can always pull a line. See, this is called grid lines. This line will not be printed. This line will not be printed. Am I clear? Even from the top also I can take a line. See here, from the top I can take a line. These are all called grid lines. It will not be printed. Okay, it will not be printed. Okay, right. Look at here. You can arrange it and see. Right. Now I want to have the color, change of color. Go to layer, layer style and color overlay. Change the colors. Yeah. I just fix magenta color. Yeah. Now I want to start the name of the student. So I start exactly here. Name of the student is A. Vimal Gerald. Okay, imagine that this is the name. Just put it here. Copy the layer. So how do I copy the layer? Alt key. Put it here. The class is maybe fifth standard. Fifth standard. And the section is, yeah, section B section, something like that. Okay.
Sir, how you put the grilled line, sir?
You can drag, just drag from here. Drag from here. Drag from the ruler on the top. So you find ruler, no? If you don't find ruler, go to window and find here, or view. Go to view, click ruler. Otherwise, Control R, press Control R. See, for example, when I press Control R, ruler is hidden. When you want to have ruler, press Control R. Okay, you have the ruler. Am I clear? Then, am I
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Am I
Thank you,
clear
sir.
to you? Yeah. I'm just
Yes, sir.
taking the roll number of the student, maybe 20 UC, UVGD, something like that. UVC 101. So the number is given. Right now, I change the color of the font. I go to layer style. Layer style. See here, I'm just giving a darker font color. Right. Now I want to copy the same style in all these. How do I copy? How do I copy the style? So right click here in the layer, copy, come, select here, paste it. See, paste. Once again, I shall do that. See, it is actually B section. Right. Look at here, I want to copy this for B. So I select B, come back to layer palette, right click and paste. Now I select this number, come back to layer palette, right click and paste. So all these we have received. Right. Right now I want to have the principal signature. So I just bring down, I copy this one of the layers, I put it here, principal. Right. Now how do you bring the principal signature? You just get the signature of the principal. You get the signature of the principal, right? And you will have to crop the background. The background has to be removed. For example, you get the signature in a paper and remove the background and you'll have to bring it. Right now, I don't have any signature, so I'm going to take it from internet. But when you do it, please, green signature. When you do it for realistic, see, for example, I get this signature. I copy. It suits here. For example, it is white background, so it suits. See, for example, it's white only, so it choose. I choose here. See, I keep it here. But I want to see it is only square. Now I want to have the background removal. How do I remove the background? I'm going to give you another method. I just save this. Right click, save images. See, I've saved an image. I've saved an image, right? Now go to Google and type remove PG. Remove PG. REMOVE. Remove PG. Click on it here. Remove PG. I will give you the link also. I'll give you the link in the chat. I have given you the link in the chat. Okay, I've given you the link in the chat box. Please, it is available. And upload an image. Click and upload an image. Where is the image? See here, the image is here. Upload. So I'm just uploading it. See, the background is removed. See, originally it was with the background. Now the background is removed. So I get only the signature alone. I just download it. I've downloaded it. Go back to Photoshop. Open and take from downloads. Where is it? It is in downloads. See, signature. I selected it. Now see here, signature can be easily moved. See here. Are you able to see the difference? Are you able to see the difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See here, the backdrop is removed. Backdrop is erased automatically. It is enough that you upload the signature. See, the principal signature is obtained. So I delete this unwanted by selecting that. Okay. Now every school has got the barcodes, no, to read or to scan. So what should we do? I have to bring the barcode of the student number, maybe 20 UVC 101. How do I generate barcode? Very simple. Go to Google, type barcode generator. Type barcode generator. Click on it. Click on barcode generator. And click. Okay, okay, right now I am. One minute. Barcode reader. Yeah, I got it. I just give you this link also in the chat. You can note it down. I've given you in the link. Please click and note it down, right? I have selected the barcode reader. Now I type the number. For example, 20 VGD. VGD, no, our number VGD. VGD 101. See, you get the text immediately. You get just click barcode. See, it is generated. Right click, copy this, and paste it here. Okay, I've got it. Generate the barcode and bring it here. I put it here so that it can be scanned anywhere. Okay, the ID card is designed. The front page is designed. The front page is designed. Now I want to go for the back page. What should I do? I go to File, New. The size is, what is the size? 3.375 and 2.125. Okay, am I clear? And 300 is 300. Just click over it. I got it. Right now here, all the other details. For example, name, we had blood group, Aadhaar number, something like that. Everything can be brought here. So I just type blood group. It can be in black letter itself. Most of the ID cards are in black color or at the back. Right now, let me also go for darker color, some darker color. Okay, blood group, and what else that you need? Aadhaar number, address. So all the other details that we need. Okay, mobile or contact. Okay, fine. Got it. Now I will have to type one by one. For example, blood group. See, I'm just giving the blood group as A positive. Okay, and here Aadhaar number, some numbers. Okay, and I'm copying the text. It as address. Typing in capital letter means what should I do? I go to layer palette and change this double T, disable that double T, then you will be able to type normal. See here. See, it is too long, no? The line face is too lengthy. So I'm reducing into 12. Yeah. Now the mobile number, see, I can fix the mobile number by selecting this Aadhaar card, and by pressing Alt key, I'm able to make it, right? So it has to be printed at the back. And if you want any other details, you can print it at the back. Now, my dear friends, you will have to print this, see, front color, front and back. So it will be printed at the back, and this is front and this is back. Now you will have to tell the printer that it should be printed in synthetic material. Synthetic material. You'll have to print in synthetic material, right? Synthetic material. Right. And you will have to tell them that it is front and back. It has to be printed front and back. Am I clear? Synthetic material, front and back. Now, how to bring it? Now, one of the participants asked me in the morning how to bring many pictures, many ID cards. You need not have many ID card. No, one student needs only one ID card. A student needs only one ID card. So for student, one. Now have the basic design. Now please understand me. I'm going to give you something very technical. Have the same background and design the templates like name, class, section, roll number, and the area for photo and area for barcode, and the principal signature is permanent. Only the area, we call it as parameter. We call it as parameter. For example, name, class, section, and roll number. All these are parameters. Only these parameters will differ. All the other things will be rolling from the Excel sheet. We can create it from the Excel sheet. So if we have the data of all the children, automatically all the ID cards of front and back will be generated based on the data available in Excel sheet. I will teach you that technique when we design certificates. Maybe in the last week, I will certainly tell you that designing certificates with attaching the data and generating certificate. Okay, with one click, you'll be able to make 200 certificates, 300 certificates with one click. Okay, I will tell you that technique later. So for which, for first time, you will have to design the template for ID card. Am I clear? Front and back. You will have to tell them synthetic material, front and back. So they will print accordingly. Right. Now this is horizontally oriented. If you want to have the vertical ID card, vertical, some stylish ID card, you just think of some other means. For example, look at here. Identity card, vertical design. See, you got so many styles. See here, you got so many styles. You can choose any one of these style, and you can choose the background also. You can choose the background. For example, look at here. I want the same. I want this type of ID card. Can we have? Yes, of course. Select this model. Select this model. Copy and paste it. What is the size of the ID card? If you want to do it vertically, please tell me. Please tell me if you want it to be vertically. Please tell me.
Sir, 2.125.
125. 3.375. Okay, fine. 300, right? 300. It is in inch. It is in inch. Now, I'm pasting it. Right now, I don't have. See here. I just select this area alone. See, I want this ID card alone, right? Right. So all the other portion I want to remove. So go to select, inverse, delete. So all the other things are deleted. Now I select this portion and drag it. I'm giving you an example. You can please choose some other. For example, template. Don't choose the same. See, the color is not that good. But giving you a model. You please go back and choose ID card template. Identity card template. Vertical. We'll have so many designs. Look at here. Many designs. See, we have got design here. The template here. You see the template here? Shall I choose this one? I want to have a little more bigger one. See, so many templates are here. This is a template. Shall we go for it? Right. I just click. This is also small picture, but still I shall try. Copy. Come back here, paste it. I have pasted it. Now I want to have only this ID card. I select this picture. Select inverse. Okay. Now drag it from the top. Yeah. I kept it. Even this is not that clear, but for a model, I'm just doing it. So logo has to come here. Now this is where I want to have, see, I choose this. What is the key that I can use? Just delete. When I delete, what happens? The previous one at the back, it comes. Okay, whatever that I have, no, it comes. So what I do, I just clear, erase it off. Now bring it here. Bring it front, right click. Bring this front, right? Now look at it, I want to erase it. How should I erase it? I select, see, I select with the polygonal lasso tool. Erase the picture, erase the portion, the text and all that. See, when I delete it, I have only white color. That's all. And the logo, select that logo here. Select this logo and bring it here. So logo has to be put here. So increase the size of the logo. Increase the size of the logo. So the logo can be there on the top here. and the boy's photograph should come here. So how should I bring it? Bring that boy photo. See, it is here. Boy's photo should be here. I'm increasing the size, but I want to fit the boy here exactly to this space. How do I bring it? Now carefully make note of this mechanism. I'm just selecting this space. Okay, selecting this area, right clicking and selecting this background. Select it. See here, I'm selecting this portion with the help of, what is this tool that I'm using? Can any guess? What is this tool that polygonal laser tool? Yes, polygonal
laser tool.
Yeah. So I've selected this place. Now instead of that, I will have to select this boy. So just press this and move this. So you can move this. You can move this selection. You can move this selection. So I have moved the selection. Now what should I do? I have to select that boy's layer. Go to select tool, right click and select that boy's layer. See, fourth layer is chosen. Now I want only this portion, the remaining portion to be deleted. What should I do? I have to go to select inverse or shift control delete. See, I got this boy in exactly that pen. Okay, am I clear? So I got the boy's photo here, and name and other things. Look at here, name, standard, all these things can be brought here. Just pull it here, you will get everything. You can keep it here. You can keep the boy's name there. And see, you can keep it here. Section B. It is all we arrange. Okay. There is no defined rule that it should be here. According to the need of the school. According to the need of the school, you can fix it. And you need not even have the roll number here. So you can fix the roll number there and bring it here. Bring the see here at the bottom. You can keep it here, or you can keep it here, so that it can be scanned. And the school name and other things can be brought wherever that you want. For example, here on the top, the matriculation Coimbatore. I just bring both these letters and I make it small one. I make it smaller, put it on the top. Both the names are not seen, so I'm using layer style, color overlay. Layer style and color overlay. Give it in a dark color. See, I'm keeping it on the top. You can reduce even the logo size. Keep it here on the top and keep Coimbatore here somewhere near and change the color. You can adjust, right? Okay. This is design. Now principal signature, principal and the signature can be brought together. So I just make this both brought here or here. That's all. The ID card is designed for vertically. Okay, you will have to fill or fit the design with all the other details. Now the details are not enough as we have done it for this ID card. So any card with any design, you can design. Okay. So this is only a model or template. The photo, name, standard and barcode will signature will be the remaining same. All these are parameters. See, name, standard and barcode will be available in Excel sheet. We can bring it here when we print it. My dear friends, the students are here. I think one of your mic is on. Madam, one of your mic is on. Hello. Yes, I muted her. Yeah. Now listen here. I just go back. Yeah. See now, my dear friends, students, friends are here. Teachers are here. School, college and school teachers, professors are here. You can very well have order from the schools, colleges, where you will have 2000 plus students. So all the ID cards can be printed in synthetic, and you can make it laminated and distribute it. You can also do this way. The printer, exclusive printer, which prints on a plastic card. You can design individually one by one. It is enough that you fix up the photo and change the name and other things. Immediately it will be printed. For example, look at here. I change the name of Vimal Gerald. Maybe I just make it as Dinesh Kumar. Dinesh Kumar. I can print it immediately. So next, it will be printed in a plastic card. The printing charges may be very, very less, but when you sell it, you will get per card, the profit you will get is 10 or 15 rupees. So you can get it as an order from the schools or from colleges, but you will have to make sure you give them. The printer is available from 10,000 to 30,000 rupees. Multicolor. It prints the ID card on the plastic card, plastic pad, right? Okay. Now please come out with your queries. I
Yes,
want you to
excuse me,
design
sir.
beautiful ID cards, identity cards, both for government or professionals or for student ID card. You may have your own ID card as model and design exactly as it is. Just first of all, design exactly as it is, then go for your own model. You design exactly as it is, then you will go for your own model. Okay, always. Yeah. Now tell me,
Excuse me,
please.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, two queries I'm having. In this, how you bring these grid lines to write down this names?
Look at here,
and
madam. See, when you have the ruler, you can bring it. See here. See, I'm dragging it. When you click on the ruler and drag, you will have the grid lines.
Sometimes ruler is not coming. Then in the window we
Then
will
go
find
to
it.
view. Go to view and enable it, madam. Go to view. See ruler.
Okay,
Just
sir.
now I told you. Control R. Press Control R. You will have the ruler. See, ruler is not there. Now
And
I
then,
press
sir,
Control R. You will get it,
yes.
madam.
And how to fix it, sir? From
You just bring it, madam. Bring it down. Drag it and bring it. See here. Drag it and bring it. It can be fixed anywhere that you want.
okay, sir.
Okay.
And sir,
It is movable.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
One more thing, sir.
Yes,
In
madam.
this vertical card, when you cut that with the polygon tool, that
Yeah.
hexagon shape you
Yeah.
cut and you bring it on the face.
Yeah.
After that, how to bring that face there? Which key we have to use?
No. It's just move key only. See here. Move key only. It is a separate layer, madam. So cut here. See, I just fit it exactly.
After
See?
bringing this
Yeah.
shape with the polygon on the face we bring, then we have to, with the move key, it will move.
Yeah. You use the key, madam. You use the arrow keys. You have arrow keys in your keyboard, no? You use it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when you copied
Yeah.
the name, class, section, and roll number to the other card,
Yeah.
how did you do that, sir?
Madam, just bring it. See here. Look at here. I just drag it. See, drag it and bring it. That's all.
But you
See?
brought it together, no? The
That's
class.
what. See, when you want to bring it together, I told you shift. You have to use shift
is
key.
selected.
Press shift key. Shift. When I press shift, all these are selected. See here. Together, everything is selected. Press shift key. Together, everything is selected. Am I clear, madam?
Okay.
Now I can bring everything here. See, for example, look at here. Am I clear, madam?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Press shift key to select two or more layers. Any other clarification? Do you have the confidence of creating an ID card? Full set has to be there. See, look at here. One front page and the back page. Both has to be there. Front page has to be multicolor and the back sheet has to be black color. Okay. Usually it is in black color. Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah,
in
please.
A name, class, section, roll number. The colon symbol is not even, sir.
Which one, sir? Colon. Okay. See, you will have to adjust it. You will have to adjust it, sir. You will have to please adjust it. Am I clear to you? Please adjust it with the width. Please adjust it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir,
adjust
but it is not even, sir. Even if we adjust it.
It depends on the characters, letters. See, some letters are small, some letters are bigger. So it comes. So what do you do in that case? Select it and go to the line gap and fix little bit. you will have the difference. For example, see here, you fix it maybe 100. See here, am I clear to you, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right now I am bringing it no closer. See, for example, 90, bring 90, so it will be almost, see, almost I am making it closer. To use that line gap tool, sir. See here, I brought it here. Now I will also bring the next one here. See, almost. Okay, sir. Now do you see that all are in equal position?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So adjust, bring it with adjustments, sir. Slighter adjustments.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, any other clarification? Can you make a beautiful ID card for your school or for your college or professional ID card, government ID cards, anything? But it should have the barcode, it should have the principal signature, and the signature has to be properly cropped, and the photograph of the student or employee. Can you have it? Yes, I'm creating an assignment page. Right now, I'm also sharing, 1 minute, the attendance link. 1 minute, I'm sharing the attendance link. Please just fill the attendance. If you want to have any clarification, you're most welcome. I'm waiting for your clarification. The attendance link is given. Attendance is mandatory. Dear friends, the attendance is mandatory. I request you all to kindly fill the attendance. Beauty Jose, madam, for me, background color and the patterns are not visible. Just share your screen, madam. Share your screen, madam. Let me help you.
Sir, I am using my phone, mobile phone, sir.
What is the exact problem, ma? Tell me, ma.
For my background and patterns are not appearing.
Background color.
Yes, sir, and pattern also.
You got to choose correct one, ma. How pattern is not appearing means what? I don't know. What do you mean by pattern? See here. You are talking about this background color. Here, see, it's white color, no? It is not appearing. What do you say
Yes,
exactly?
sir. Yes, sir. If I choose some other color means it is not appearing for me.
Where, ma? Where it is not appearing? Here.
Yes, sir.
You choose the right background. For example, see, I just select the background, ma. Okay. Now you tell me, from this, you tell me, ma. I couldn't understand your proper question, ma. Background color means what are you talking about? See, this is white background, white color background. Now, what do you want? This white color background is not appearing for you.
If I choose some other color than the white, instead of white color means it is not appearing for me.
No, it will appear, ma. Look at here, ma. I'm changing the color. See, change the background, ma. Select it with the background. Okay, ma. Select with the background, pa. And look at here. I'm just choosing this paint bucket tool and click here. See, I got it, no? I got it, no?
Coming, sir.
No, that's what you share your screen, ma. I will tell you. See, you will have to select, ma. You will have to select right click and choose it, ma. Choose the proper layer, then work on it. It will definitely work. Choose the proper way. Right click and choose the layer. See, the background is chosen, so I can work on it. Accordingly, you try, ma. Okay, ma. You just show your screen, ma. Sriman, you can design anything on your own, pa. You can design anything vertically or horizontally, anything on your own. It's up to you. Creativity is up to you.
Sir, submission of assignment should be printable format, sir.
No, ID card, both sides. That's all. Both sides. Those who fill the attendance can leave. No problem. Once the attendance is put, you are free to leave. If you have understood, you are free to leave. Only those who would like to clarify, stay back, get clarified and leave. Thank you, Rajeshwari, madam. Thank you, Bala. You can leave. So those who would like to have, Sriman, thank you, everyone. Those who would like to have clarification remain, otherwise you can leave. Madam, Beauty Jose, madam, you can share your screen. I stop my presentation. Thank you all. Thank you. Yeah.
Now, how did you give border to the ID card, sir? Border of that boy?
Yeah, I told you, no, yesterday. Layer, go to layer style and stroke. Use stroke. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Layer, layer style, and stroke. Use stroke. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Welcome. Any other clarification? Seenu Srinivasan, should we upload the assignment as PST? No. See, all the assignment work should be submitted only in JPEG format, sir. PST format we cannot open sometimes. So only JPEG format. Any work that we give only should be submitted only in JPEG format, right? Tomorrow we will see.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
In this attendance form, it is asking for registration number.
Yeah.
I have joined recently only, but I don't know my registration.
Okay. Your registration number you don't know. Okay. I shall give you 1 minute. You just hold on for a moment. I shall give you a registration number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2525. 1 minute. I shall. 1 minute. I'm just getting your registration number. 1 minute. 1 minute. I just get it for you.
Okay, sir.
VGD.
Okay,
Please
sir.
note it, sir. 20 VGD 256. 256.
256.
That's all. 256.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Madam, one madam asked, no, Beauty Jose, are you there? Please
Sir, I am using phone. Then how to chat?
just show me in the camera, ma. Show me in the camera, ma.
Okay, sir.
Attendance submitted, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Those who submitted the attendance may leave. If you have any clarification, you are welcome to. Tomorrow we will see. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Letterpad design. Tomorrow we'll go for letterpad design and advertisement, newspaper advertisement design.
Okay.
How to design newspaper advertisements. Hindu and other newspapers know how to give advertisement. Yes, ma. Keep it closer, ma. Yeah. No. It is in vertical. It is horizontal, ma. You just see it in other way. Change the orientation.
Certain portrait, ma'am.
Change the orientation, madam.
Can you see, sir?
Ma, what? I cannot see, ma, because you are showing it in other way. I'm not able to see it properly. Okay, ma. Okay, bring it closer. Take your phone closer. Take your phone closer, ma. Yeah. Now you have the file, no? Right click it. Select the first tool. Select the first tool, ma. First tool. Select tool. Right click, ma. Right click, ma. Right click, ma.
Nothing is coming, sir.
Huh?
Right
click, ma. You request right click.
Yeah, sir, I'm doing, but it's not coming again.
Then there is you restart it, ma. You restart it. There is a problem. You restart it. Please call Mani sir, ma.
Okay,
He'll be able to just help you with reinstallation, ma. I think there is a problem with your tool. Don't worry, ma. Are you able to make other designs, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please call Mr. Mani, ma. You have his number, no?
Yes, sir.
You can call him immediately. He will help you. Please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Sir, if I want to write here in a blue bar,
Yeah.
it is not coming with white color.
White color. See, white color will not come, madam. You choose. You just select it and change the color.
Sir, I have selected white color.
No, that's what, madam. You just select that. Select that. First type.
This portion.
No, on the top you have that white color is chosen. Top.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then type. Start typing. Start typing, madam.
Nothing is coming.
You type. Go on type. I tell you. Go on type.
Sir, I'm typing.
Okay. You do one thing. Go to layer. Go to layer. Go to layer.
Sir.
Layers.
Okay.
Arrange. Bring to front.
Layer style, sir.
No, no, not arrange, madam. Arrange. Layer and arrange. Use arrange. Bring to front.
It is not highlighting. It is in dim color.
Okay. Then you reduce the font size, madam. Reduce the font size.
Okay, sir. 18.
What is chosen, madam? Right now, what is chosen?
72.
72 means it is very big, no? It will not
Okay,
be
sir.
visible, no? Yeah, select a smaller one. Start type,
Nothing is coming, sir.
No, Control A. Press Control A. Press Control A.
Control
Press
A,
Control
sir.
A. Control A. Reduce the size now.
Okay. 18. I have taken 18.
Yeah.
Nothing is coming, sir.
No, no, madam, please listen here. I shall tell you. Please listen carefully. Listen, look at here. Look at here.
Okay, sir.
Look at here, madam. Look at here. See, see,
Sir,
look at here,
screen
madam.
not presenting.
Madam, carefully note it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, screen not
Look at here, madam. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Madam, look at here. I am dragging to end till the end, right? Okay. See the white color that I have chosen on the top. Do you see that?
Yes,
You
yes.
see that, madam? White color. And the point is only 7 point. 7, only 7 I have chosen. Put 7. Okay. Now type,
Okay, sir.
madam. Type. For example, St. Joseph's College. See, I am typing St. Joseph's.
And sir,
All right.
regular.
That's not a problem. Anything. That's not a problem.
And sir, font style.
Anything you choose, madam. Your font style that you want, whatever you want, you can choose.
I have chosen impact.
Okay. Go for that. And
Center-
don't go more than 8, madam. More than 8 because it will be big.
Yes, sir. 8
Yeah.
is point and center alignment.
Okay,
But
fine.
nothing is coming, sir.
Which means, madam, please follow it what I say. Please. 1 minute. I shall tell you. Please drag it like this. Drag it like this. Do you do that? Do you do
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yeah.
By
Just
using
type it.
text tool,
Type
na?
it. Simply type.
Yes, sir. Simply
On the
type.
top. On the
I
top.
have
Look at there. What is the point? No, please tell me. Please hold on. What is the point that is chosen? What is the point selected?
8.
8.
Yes.
Now, what is the color chosen?
White.
Type it.
Nothing, sir.
Is this blinking, madam? Is it blinking?
No, sir.
Madam, if you could share the screen, I'll be able to help you.
72 is coming, sir. Again
Madam?
and again, 72 is coming.
That is the problem. That is the problem. You reduce it, madam. Reduce it, sir.
now
See,
I
make
have-
sure, madam. Make sure when you start, no, it should be 7. It should be only 7, not 72. If it is in 72, how can you see? See, nothing will be there. See?
Sir, now I have chosen 8.
Yeah, type.
Nothing
Right.
is coming, sir.
No, look at there on the top. Point will be 72. Now you'll have to choose 7, madam, not more than 7.
Sir, I have chosen 8. Now 8.
But look at there, the point. Point, look at the point. When you type, look at the point.
Sir, 8 is there.
Yeah, type it now.
Sir, I am typing. Nothing is coming.
Madam, please share the screen, madam. In that case, I will have to see your screen. Only then I'll be able to guide.
Yes, sir. Please see.
Please follow what I tell you clearly. Look at here. Please follow. Madam, please carefully follow what I tell you. See, I drag here. Okay. Madam, please follow. Are you
Okay,
following
sir.
it? Yeah.
Yes.
Now see, 72 means reduce it. Reduce it to 8 or 6 or 7.
Okay.
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 And
Okay.
change the white color. Then click here, then type. Type.
I'm doing like this, sir. I'm doing like this, sir.
You're not getting, madam. I am not able to see you, madam. You share your screen. Let me check.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing.
No, yeah, I'm not able to see, madam. Very small it is. 1 minute. Yeah. Madam, you see again 72 only is there, madam. Look at there on the
Sir,
top.
again and again it is coming, sir.
So now you fix it first. Yeah, 6. Fix it. Now keep it here. Keep it inside. Touch it inside. Yeah, touch
Yes,
it
sir.
inside. Yeah, type now. Start
No,
typing.
sir. Nothing.
1 minute, madam. You fresh start with a fresh letter, madam. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just delete it. Delete that. Delete that. Go back. Go back, madam. Go back. Erase it. Erase it. Erase it.
Full.
No, not that, madam. Not that. Only that selected portion. No. Just press escape.
Escape. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now drag it,
Again,
madam.
go to
Drag
the
it.
text tool. Text tool.
Yeah. Take the text tool, madam. Drag it, madam.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, madam. Now I'm not able to see, madam. I'm not able to see. Show me properly. Yeah. Fine. Now select.
Again,
Yeah.
72, sir.
Select 8.
8.
Okay. Keep it inside, madam.
Yes, sir.
Click inside. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now it is
Okay, madam. Got it, madam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Yeah, it will take time, madam, sometimes, but no problem. Don't get disappointed. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'm happy for you. Yeah. Good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Anybody else? Okay. If there are no clarifications, we shall call it a day. Thank you very much. God bless us all.